So we'll take a little bit of minced shallots.
Okay.
And then we'll add some Red Fresno Chilies. Only a little, okay? And then we have some white verjus.
White verjus is?
So white verjus is white grapes that have been unfermented. And do some golden balsamic vinegar. So it's like the regular balsamic vinegar, but it's a golden version.
So a balsamic, though, has aged typically.
Yes, longer.
So they're aging the white balsamic instead of the white grapes.
So the white grapes and everything, yes.
Okay.
So it's really nice. And then we have a little bit of agave, which I like to use because it helps with Mother Nature, you know, with everything, especially when California was in a drought. It really helped us out and everything. After we have all of our ingredients together, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna start our emulsification. And I'll help you emulsify this in really slowly. You wanna go really slow, not too fast. If you go too fast, it will separate on you. So nice and slow. Some mint too, and we're gonna fold in some chopped mint.
Oh, good.
The beauty about lemon zest, it gives you the aromatic of the lemon, but without the acidic. So it kind of gives you that freshness.
Right, absolutely.
So we're gonna take some of these guys and we'll toss them in here. Take our vinaigrette here and just kind of drizzle it around. Doesn't that look pretty though?
Oh my gosh, it looks, the colors.
It looks gorgeous,
it looks beautiful.
Toss a little salt and we'll just mix it in together. Okay. And a little bit of pepper, not too much.
What a great summer salad.
And then we're gonna add a little bit more fresh mint because why not?
Why not? Because we have it and
we have it in here.
It smells so great.
And then we have a little bit of these Red Fresno Chilies. We'll toss those in there as well to give a nice little heat to it, where it's not overpowering.
I like it. And you've deveined it, you've taken the seeds out.
Yeah, take out the seeds, you know. But jalapenos are so tricky though. Yeah, me too. Me
awesome.
too.
See, I want them in. I want those suckers in there.
And then we do have some of these candied pistachios because we're in California too. So it's all the theme of California and trying to support our local farmers' ingredients and everything. We're taking our carpaccio, we're using it as a flat piece and everything, so we make it real thin, so it's it's see-through, so I'll lift it up so you can see right through it. So it's almost like translucent.
Yeah.
And then so we put it down.
That really good.
This hasn't been really seasoned, so we're gonna take our vinaigrette and we'll put it right in the middle. And we're gonna take a little bit and we're gonna just kind of run it on top. So it kind of gives you like that eye candy. And you also season it.
That in and of itself is beautiful.
And I'll let you do that one too, okay?
I won't do it as well as you.
No worries. No, I think I have confidence in you.
I'm going to take, I see already.
It's okay. No worries. See, I have these little magic towels down here.
Yes.
So it makes it disappear so no one even sees it. Okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll take the watermelon. And what I like to do is I kind of offset them. So one here, one red, and then one yellow.
I'm a little
impressed. So it kind of gives you a little bit of color difference and it kind of pops. We want to talk about the pickled watermelon radish.
Ooh, yes, pickled watermelon radish.
So picking watermelon radish.
Gorgeous.
So what's beauty about these, they call them watermelon radish because of the inside. I don't have one here. It looks like a watermelon stripes.
It does.
So it's beautiful.
It does, yes.
So we just pickle them in a little pickle juice that we use and make in-house. These ones not really dressed with anything because they already seasoned. Then the jalapenos, we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna kind of put these. I like to put one on each one.
Okay.
That way it gives a nice little pop for every single one. Okay, and then we're gonna take our bowl over here and we're gonna add some of these. Some of these are called Hearts of Fire. You should strip it in like this and then you're gonna take it and then you're gonna go and just kind of breathe freely. So I kind of pop them up like they're coming out of the garden. Like they're popping up and everything, and it gives a little bit of flair to that.
I am so impressed with this, actually.
So the arugula, there's a nice little pepperness to it.
I love arugula.
So we're gonna add this to it as well. And then we'll take some of these candied pistachios and we'll put them in here as well.
Oh my God, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
Did you come up with this recipe?
You know what? I want to say yes, but it's a team effort.
It is a team
effort. We all talk about it every week. We talk about what we're going to do. And then what's great is we keep us fresh because, like I said, farmer's market, we get fresh produce every week. It's funny, it's like I've been doing this over 18 years, and I still get surprised all the time on different produce.
Great?
And I'm amazed by it.
We love the farmers.
You know, it's amazing.
Let's taste this.
Okay, let's taste it.
Thanks, Alex.
So want to do where this? Or you?
No, we're going to go for it,
look at you.
right? We're in the kitchen.
I like it.
I think I'm...
You're
going to do the whole thing.
I'm going to do the whole thing. Yeah, why not?
All right, you ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Good. Hey, jalapeno on there. Gonna give it a nice.
I love it.
When I first went to the farmer's market,